Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate mouse hover using Selenium Java. Okay, first we will see the practice page we are going to automate. So this is the page. So we are having three images here. When I mouse over on the first image, I am getting user 1 and view profile. Similarly, when I move to the second image, I am getting user 2 view profile. The third image also I am getting user 3 view profile. When I click on view profile, it is taking me to the page users 1. Okay, so and it is having not found. So we can try the first one. We can try to automate user 1 and click on this view profile. You can try the user 2 and user 3. Okay, that you can take as a practice. First, I will copy this URL. I will give the URL in the description for your practice. Here I already created Java class in Eclipse. You can also create. Inside main method, I have added code for opening the Chrome browser. Okay. After that, we need to add driver dot get method. Inside get method, I need to pass URL. I will pass the URL copied. After that, I will try to find. We are going to mouse on the user one, so we need to be getting the locator for this user one. So when I right click and inspect, I am getting this properties. I will take this property. I will write driver dot find element by dot xpath. Here I will give the properties I copied. So here we are having image as the tag. So I will give image and in square bracket I type at the rate. After that I give alt equal to, in single quotes you can give the value user avatar. Okay, you can check the second image also, both are looking similar. Okay, so we need to mention which occurrence we need to select. So if I give in this way, it will not understand which one to select. So here the third one is also, I think the third one is also having the same property. So it cannot identify whether that is the first one or second one. So I will give the locator should be unique. Okay, then only it will work for us. So I will give 1. If I give 1, it will be selecting the first thing alone. Okay, so if I give 2 here, it will choose the second option. Okay, it will not go for the first option. So I give 1 and here I will give image 1 equal to this. Okay, and when I mouse over on this one, I will be getting option to add the web element. So I have added that. So now in order to mouse over, we need to use actions class provided by Selenium. So I will write actions act reference variable and equal to new actions. Inside that we need to pass driver. Okay, so I will pass it. When I mouse on the actions, it will be asking me to import. So we can do the import here. Okay, so, I have done that. So now in the previous video we have seen when we are mouse overing on something, we need to use actions class. In that we have used move to element. So here also we are going to use the same thing, move to element. Okay, so I will give image 1 and after that, after mouse overing, after 1 second or 2 second delay only we are getting it. So we need to give some pass time for this and I will give duration dot of seconds, 2 seconds I will give wait time. So this is already provided by actions class. Okay, we can make use of the pass available in actions class. After that I need to click on the view profile. So I need to click on inspect. So here when I inspect this particular view profile, I am getting a tag, and here we are having href users 1. Okay, so I will give that. I will copy this line and find that particular view profile. Okay, so I'm going to write a and href and give at the rate and user name. Okay, so you can use some other property also if available. So I am using this one for my convenience. So you can use this one and no need to mention this, because already when we are mouse hovering on this one you will be having only one option, and that is unique also. So for the second option we are having user 2, so it will not be duplicate. So we can use this one, user 1 profile. I will give the name as user 1 profile. So now after giving 2-second pass I will move to that element. It will be visible after 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so here I will give, you move to user 1 profile, and after that I need to give some pass, or no need to give pass, you can just give click, because already we are mouse hovering and going to click this one, no need to wait. Okay, immediately it will be there. So we can try with this option first, click, and when we are using chain of actions we need to use build dot perform. If you are not using build it will not work for us. Okay, so perform is also must, and we need to give build also when we are using chain of action. Here we are moving to element, again giving some pass and moving to some element and clicking on that. So in order to merge all these actions we need to use build, and after that we need to give perform. Okay, so now we are ready with the code, so we can execute. I will give driver dot quit. In order to close the browser I will use this one. I will give some wait time, then only we can observe thread dot sleep 5 seconds. Okay, now I am running this code, run as Java application. Now you can see the page is opening and it is mouse hovering, giving some wait time and clicking on view profile, and we are getting this page. So I will run this again. Page is open, it is mouse hovering on view profile. I think I mouse over on this manually, so only it is not working. It is giving me error element not interactable. Okay, I should not do any manual action on that. So I have done that, so it is not working. So now I am not touching the mouse. You see, it is working for us. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. So that's all I have for today's video. We will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you for watching, and you can subscribe and share with your friends also. Thank you.